Welcome back to the AZ Garden. Today, we're going to talk about the perfect planting partnership, basil and tomatoes. These two plants not only make a delicious combination in your recipes, but they also thrive when planted together. We went to the nursery to buy some basil and marigolds. We'll be talking about the marigolds in a future video. These are two of our favorite companion plants at the AZ Garden. Why are basil and tomato plants the perfect match? Well, they have a mutually beneficial relationship. Basil repels harmful pests, like aphids and mosquitoes, that usually bother tomato plants. At the same time, tomatoes provide shade and support for basil to grow strong. It's a win-win situation. This is one way to save money when buying seedlings. Choose a pot with 2 or 3 seedlings and separate them when planting. We will discuss this hack in a future video. When planting basil and tomatoes together, make sure to give them enough space. Tomato plants need room to spread their roots, so don't overcrowd them. Plant the basil around the base of the tomato plant, leaving enough space for both to grow comfortably. Both basil and tomatoes love sunlight, so choose a sunny spot in your garden for this dynamic duo. That's why basil and tomatoes are the perfect match. Also, make sure to water them regularly. Basil likes well-drained soil, so be careful to not overwater. When harvest time comes, you'll have an abundance of fresh ingredients for your kitchen. The aromatic flavor of basil pairs perfectly with the juicy sweetness of tomatoes. In conclusion, planting basil and tomatoes together is a fantastic idea. They protect each other from pests, support each other's growth, and enhance the flavors of your meals. So, next time you're planting your garden, remember this perfect planting partnership. I noticed there are volunteers in the containers. The basil last year has gone to seed. Basil is actually self-seeding, but that's not totally reliable. Happy gardening and happy cooking! Thanks for watching. Please click on the next video for more gardening tips and ideas.